In this video, I'll show you how to sync your HR system with accounting software, making your business processes smoother, faster, and more accurate. Whether you're looking to save time, reduce errors, or improve reporting, syncing your HR system with accounting software is crucial, and in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through it step by step. Now, syncing these two systems might sound complicated, but I've tried the most popular options and will share the best way to make it happen. So stay tuned till the end for a bonus, a free trial of our recommended software for viewers of my channel, Dan Thorne. The first thing you want to do is make sure both systems are compatible. Many HR and accounting systems offer integration options directly from their settings. The easiest way to check compatibility is to look in the settings or integration section of both platforms. If you're using popular HR systems like Gusto, Bamboo HR, or Workday, or accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, they often have built-in connectors or third-party apps to help bridge the gap. Once you've confirmed that they're compatible, the next step is to ensure your data is clean. This means reviewing employee details in your HR system, like salary, tax information, and benefits, to ensure they match with what's in your accounting software. This step is vital to avoid errors down the line when syncing. After that, it's time to set up the connection between the two systems. In many cases, you can do this directly in the settings of either your HR or accounting software. Look for options like integrations or connections, and select the HR or accounting platform you're using. In our case, we'll be using our software to demonstrate how easy it is. Once the integration is set up, it should automatically sync your employee payroll data, benefits, and taxes with your accounting system. The key here is automating the flow of information between systems to reduce manual entry, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. If the software doesn't provide direct integration, you may need to use an integration tool like Zapier or Integromat, which can help connect the systems by triggering specific actions when new data is entered. These tools allow for seamless data transfers, making syncing even easier. Once the systems are connected, test the integration with a few sample transactions. For example, run a payroll cycle in your HR system and check if the data syncs correctly into your accounting software. You want to make sure everything from employee deductions to benefits shows up properly in the accounting reports. After you've done this test, set up automatic syncing for continuous updates. You'll want your HR system to automatically push payroll and employee data to your accounting software so that every time you run payroll or make changes in HR, everything is updated without you needing to manually intervene. Key takeaway: syncing your HR system with accounting software saves time, reduces errors, and improves accuracy in reporting. Start by ensuring compatibility, clean your data, set up the integration, and test it. Once everything's in place, automate the syncing process. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we used in this tutorial, linked in the description below. It's a great way to try out everything we covered today, and you can follow along with this video. Thanks for watching.